Hey y'all, let's go over the Lesson 5, Mission 8 application problem. So it says, Owen had 40 straws to create pentagons. He created 5 pentagons when he noticed the number pattern. How many more shapes can he add to the pattern? So let's start back at the beginning. First of all, we know that Owen has 90 straws. So I'm going to underline 90 straws because that's the total he had. If you think back to that problem we had about toothpicks, it's the same thing. Then he had 12 toothpicks. Now he has 90 straws. Now he's creating pentagons. Penta, which I circled right here, means 5. So quad means 4 sides. Penta would mean the shape has 5 sides. And he created 5 when he noticed a number pattern. And the problem gives you all the first 5 shapes that he drew. So here's the first one. It has 5 sides. Now he used 10. He's also counting the number of straws he's using, right? So 1 straw, 2 straw, 3, 4, 5 straws, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25. So first of all, I'm sure you've already noticed, but think about what the number pattern is. How are these numbers working together? So hopefully we've seen that the numbers are going up. Are they going up by ones? Hopefully you know that they are going up by 5s. So basically, an easy way to solve this problem is to continue counting by 5s until you get to what number? 90, right? Because of how many straws he has. So that's one way to do it, so that we could find out how many more shapes, because that's our question. How many more shapes can he add? So first of all, how many more usually helps us know that we want to find a difference. Difference would be the biggest number minus the smaller number. But let's do it this way first. So let's see. If I start with 25, I want to get to 90, so I'm going to write down all the numbers. I don't have to draw the shapes unless you want to. So we have 25, 30, then he would use 35, 40, and he would use another 5, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90 straws. And now, to find out how many more shapes he could add, I just need to count these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's my answer. He can add 13 more shapes to this pattern because he's going in 5s. If you want to draw all the different shapes that you can think of and get some practice drawing pentagons, that would be an awesome idea. And let me go back now to that equation I was talking about. How many more? This is another way you could have solved this. You could do it this way, or I could have just taken 90 minus 25. Let's split this into a nice 20 and 5. I know 9 tens minus 2 tens is 7 tens. 7 tens is 70 minus this other 5. 70 minus 5 is 65. And then I could just go count 5, 10, 15 until I get to 65. And you would have still gotten 13 more shapes. So this way is a little bit more complicated. I think this way is perfectly fine, and it's definitely what I would do to solve this problem. So if this doesn't make sense to you, remember that you can always rewatch these videos. I think that would be a great idea. Remember to keep working on your Zern bonuses and all of that good stuff, because that's going to give you the extra practice that you need. So I will see y'all next week. Love you and miss you.